Run.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm heading to the bike shop to get my tires replaced, as the current sets of tires that I'm using is the Bridgestone Battlax S21. I've been using them for coming to 3 years. The tires are pretty worn out, the grooves are completely gone and they are due for replacement. And it's really dangerous to use the tires for such a long period, as the rubber compound might get hardened over the years. And this will reduce the grip on the road. So having the right tires for the right application is really important. So you can't be using a racing slick tires on the dirt road, you can't be using off-road tires on the track. So I'm pretty happy with the Bridgestone Battlax S21 tires on my bike. It really gives me the confidence while I'm riding my bike, be it going around the corner or doing hard braking. And it's not fair for me to say Bridgestone Battlax S21 tires are the best tires in the market, as I haven't tried other tires except the Bridgestone tires and the Michelin tires. So although there are a few Hypersport tires in the market like the Pirelli Rosso series, Michelin Pilot Power series, the Bridgestone Battlax S21 and 22 tires, so I would say the Bridgestone Battlax S21 tires are the best tires for me based on my personal experience. Whenever it comes to tires, I'm pretty fussy about it, because for a motorcycle there are only 2 wheels, unlike compared to a car where there are 4 wheels, and the overall grip will be reduced by half. So I'll definitely get the best tires for my bike. So right now I'm heading to the bike shop to get the new tire replacement. Alright, right now I'm at Hin Motors Pte Ltd, and yeah, I'm going to replace the tires for me. Hin Motors Pte Ltd is a one-stop motorcycle shop to get your bike service, bike repair, tire replacement, and even aftermarket accessory add-ons for your bike, be it a brake lever, clutch lever, handlebar grip, footrest, mirrors, and many more. So if you are thinking of replacing an old ride with a new ride, right now they do have a new bike showroom just beside their workshop, and they are located at Yishun Industrial Park. And if you don't want to spend much on a motorcycle, they do provide you with their in-house loan for their new motorcycle and used motorcycle at a very low initial deposit without you spending much on your motorcycle. So I'd like to thank Hin Motors Pte Ltd to be part of the sponsor for today's video, and their link will be down below. So right now, let's get back to today's video. Alright guys, so I'm back from the bike shop. Last night I was at the gas station filling out my bike, and there was some sales going on with the STP fuel injector cleaner. So this is the fuel injector cleaner which I bought from the gas station, and as you guys know, it isn't cheap to purchase one of this fuel injector cleaner. It will easily cost you 10 over bucks, and I'm not sure whether this fuel injector cleaner will work on my car. So since they are having sales with this fuel injector cleaner and it only cost me about 6 bucks, So I decided to grab one off the shelf and try it on my car. And being the fact that this is a 10-year-old car and pretty much mileage has been done on this car, and definitely all the carbon deposits has been built up in the engine. So the purpose of this fuel injector is to clear up all the carbon deposits in the engine. And one full bottle amount of fuel injectors are able to treat one full amount of fuel in the tank. So right now I'm having half amount of fuel in the tank. I'll be pouring half of this fuel injector cleaner into the tank. Alright guys, so half bottle of the fuel injector cleaner has been poured into the tank, and in the next few days I will see if there's any difference in the throttle response and the fuel mileage. So earlier I was at Hin Motors getting my tire replaced, and I would like to thank Hin Motors to be part of the sponsor of this video. They got me a new set of Bridgestone Battlax S21 tires, and these are the tires which I've used previously on my bike. And I would say these are the best tires for me based on my riding style, and it's pretty unfair to say these are the best tires in the market, as I've never tried the Pirelli Double Rosso series tires before. So these tires really give me the confidence in riding, be it going around the corner or doing a hard braking. So one thing that I really like about this tire is this is a dual compound tire. Harder compound at the center of the tire and softer compound at the edge of the tire. So with a harder compound at the center of the tire, this will make your tire last much longer without deforming the tires, flattening out the center of the tires if you are doing a lot of highway riding. So with a softer compound at the edge of the tires will provide you with the maximum grip while we are at the extreme leaning angle. So this is the reason why I still prefer the Bridgestone tires as my tire choice. Alright guys, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Ride safe and bye!